Center for Sight has been at the forefront of offering cutting-edge technology to its patients. In our combined state of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, we were the first to introduce Relax Smile way back in 2010. Since the last 14 years, we have been doing Relax Smile surgeries and have completed more than 8,000 procedures successfully. During this journey, we have also trained 25 ophthalmologists to perform this advanced procedure. As time changes, technology advances. Now at Planet Lasik by Center for Sight, we offer you the revolutionary Silk procedure. This technology by Johnson & Johnson was developed in the United States. We are proud that we were part of the FDA trials here in India and have contributed significantly in improving this procedure. As technology has advanced, we now have the Silk procedure by Johnson & Johnson with the Elita machine. This results in permanent removal of glasses by using the Silk surgery. Silk is smooth incision lenticule keratomelusis. In this surgery, we use a specialized laser called a femtosecond laser. The specialized part of this laser is that it fires laser for an ultra short period of time. How ultra short? That is a femtos of a second, which is 10 to the power of minus 15th of a second. This ultra short duration of laser results in a tissue cleavage plane, which results in a very precise cut. The precision is at the level of a micron, and a micron is 10 to the power of minus 6 of a millimeter. This high level of safety and precision can only be achieved with such advanced lasers. The advantage here is that there is no flap created. The entire process is done in the substance of the cornea and with a very small incision, which is about 2 millimeters in size. The lenticule created here, which is biconvex in shape and proportional to your glass power, is extracted. This results in complete glass power removal with just a 5 minutes surgery. Because of this highly precise laser used, the visual recovery is in just a day. The next day, you could be back to your normal activities. Because the cut on the surface is so small, you can even rub your eyes a day after surgery. This smaller cut also results in lesser chances of dryness of eyes, which is common nowadays because of high computer use. This Elita by Johnson & Johnson is definitely the most advanced way to get your glasses removed. To have the best outcomes in keratorefractive surgery, it is imperative to have a thorough pre-operative examination. A pre-operative examination is done basically to assess 2 points. First, if you are or not a good candidate for the procedure, and secondly, which procedure amongst the various ones we have would suit you best. It basically consists of an eye examination, looking in the inner parts of your eye and doing certain tests which assess how your corneal shape and thickness is. The first step is a refraction by an experienced optometrist. Refraction is your glass power check. It should be constant for the last 6 months. Then a pentacam test is done. A pentacam basically tests more than 1,000 points on the front and the back part of the cornea, creating a corneal image by which we can assess the shape and thickness of the cornea. This is very important in knowing whether a person is fit for the procedure and what kind of procedure would suit him best. This is a Corvus ocular response analyzer. Here, a jet of air is projected onto the eye to know the ocular rigidity, that is, the strength of your cornea, which is very important when you are doing a refractive surgery. This is the allegro-topolizer, which is used to detect higher order aberrations. More than 1 lakh of points on the corneal surface are assessed and minor irregularities on it are mapped, and this results in a successful contura treatment. All these tests are non-contact tests. That means there would be nothing touching your eye during the testing period. These tests are totally painless and you would not be having any discomfort after getting these tests done. After these tests are done, a doctor would assess on your daily requirements and also on these test results. Based on these, he or she would be able to advise you as to which procedure suits you best from the different types of advanced techniques which we have at Planet Lasik by Center for Sight. By the Elita machine, when we perform a silk surgery, you can expect a faster visual recovery and more comfort because the size of the cut is more smaller and the energy use is ultra fast. But certain precautions need to be taken. For the first 3 hours, you might expect a bit of discomfort and watering. You need to use the medications as prescribed. From the second day itself, you could use your gadgets and your mobile phones. But for the first 5 days, avoid water getting in your eyes. For the first 10 days, avoid use of eye makeup by things which go inside your eye. 2 weeks, it is better that you avoid swimming or any form of steam on your face. You could be back to your routine indoor daily activities from the second day itself. Thank you.
Follow Planet Lasik and post your queries to get answers from the experts.